What is the equation of the line which is parallel to the line y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and which passes through the point -1, 2? So the question is asking us to find the equation of a line which is parallel to this line y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, and it passes through the point -1, 2. To get the equation of a straight line, you will need the gradient of the line and the coordinates of at least one point that falls on the line. Here, the question tells us that the point -1, 2 falls on the line. The line whose equation we want to find is parallel to the line y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. If two lines are parallel to each other, it means that those two lines have the same gradient. So the gradient of the line y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 is the same as the gradient of the line whose equation we want to find. The equation of this line is y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. When we rearrange this in the form y is equal to mx plus c, which is the general equation of a straight line, we will have y is equal to -3x plus 2. In the general equation of a straight line, m is the gradient of the line. When we compare y is equal to 3x plus 2 with y is equal to mx plus c, we can see that m is equal to -3. From the question, we are being told that the line whose equation we want to find is parallel to this line. And as I've already said, if two lines are parallel to each other, it means that they have the same gradient. So it means that the line whose equation we want to find is also having a gradient of -3. We know that the line passes through the point -1, 2. So now we have the gradient of the line to be -3, and we have the coordinates of one point that falls on the line. This is enough information for us to find the equation of the line. The equation of the line is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. y1 will be the y coordinate of the point which falls on the line, and x1 will be the x coordinate of the point which falls on the line, and m will be the gradient of the line. y1 is 2 and x1 is -1, m is -3, so we will substitute that into the equation here. This will give us y minus y1, which is 2, is equal to m, which is -3 into bracket x minus x1, which is -1. This will give us y minus 2 is equal to -3 into bracket x minus -1 will give us plus 1. When we open the bracket here, we will have -3x minus 3. So y minus 2 is equal to -3x minus 3. When we rearrange this, we will have y plus 3x minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. And this will give us y plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So it means that the equation of the line which is parallel to y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 and passes through the point -1, 2 is y plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0.